guys, welcome back to the channel. So today's video is going to be a little bit different. It is going to be what I eat in a day at Nutrisystem, but it's going to be on the go because we are going, where are we going, Yuri?
The Shadow Aquarium in Chicago.
Yeah.
Aquarium!
Okay, so before we go, they're going to be having some lunch, some breakfast, and then I'm going to be having some apple walnut oatmeal breakfast from Nutrisystem, and some really quick nutrition facts on here. 150 calories, 5 grams of total fat, 5 grams of fiber, and 5 grams of protein. So hopefully this will keep me full for the first half of my day. I'm probably going to be adding, I don't know, maybe some like walnut, a little bit of walnuts on top or something like that, and then the extra added healthy fats will probably keep me full a little bit longer. I just made my coffee. I did add 2 tablespoons of oat milk, and those are my 2 extras that I'm having for breakfast. And I got my playlist up here. Like, of course, just oatmeal, but we're going to be adding some walnuts, and this is going to be my breakfast. So now this is only a little bit different because I had to plan out my lunch and side snacks ahead of time along with the kids' stuff. So for my lunch later on, I'm going to be having chocolate peanut butter bar. It's 200 calories, 8 grams of total fat. I know that sounds really good, doesn't it? 4.5 grams of saturated fat and 11 grams of protein. So hopefully this will help keep me going during the day while we're walking around. And then for myself, I'm bringing some of these carrot chips. I'm going to be bringing a crap load of broccoli. So yeah, and my kids like broccoli too, so that's why. Bringing some grapes. I'm not eating all of these though.
I gave you my mom these to eat.
Oh, thank you, baby. And then I just got one of these extra things in case I do stay hungry. I probably just won't use the dressing, and then I probably won't add these. But if I did, everything together is 250 calories for this serving. So if I don't, I'm guessing the dressing is part of what is a little bit more, and then this, if I don't add that, just won't be like the extra added sugars. I might bring my own walnuts and then just mix it with a little bit of the apples and cheese or something. And then I pack up the kids some snacks too, and I got them grapes and oranges and goldfish crackers, oranges, I said that already. Yuri put her granola in there, and then these little Del Rosa things that she likes. Gideon has pretty much the same thing in his. And as for their lunches, I just need to add either sandwiches or Lunchables, and we will be all set to go. Oh, and fill our water bottles up, of course. Wow. Is that how they swim, baby? On their backs? Pretty much done at the Shed Aquarium, and now we're outside eating our lunches. I was going to say that it is the perfect time to whip out my Nutrisystem bar. Forgot it in the car. It's like right up there, and I just don't feel like crossing the little lane again, so I'm going to eat it on the way home. How's your lunch, Kitty?
Right.
My little yummy carrot chips going on. Mary says she wants a small one. We're in the car, and my coffee got cold because I forgot to drink it on the way here, and I had to chug it before the Shed Aquarium. And now I'm going to try to finish it. It's like not too cold. It's like tepid. I'm going to show you guys the bar really quick, what I'm going to eat, and then we're going to take off and go home. Okay, so this is the Nutrisystem bar, chocolate peanut butter bar. Sounds really good. 200 calories, 8 grams of fat, 4 grams of saturated fat, and 11 grams of protein. Open this up. Actually smells really good. It tastes really good too. Yum. Yeah. It tastes like I'm just eating a candy bar, sort of, but like a better one, like not super sugary. I don't know. It doesn't really taste like a protein bar. It tastes really, really good. Okay, so we just got back from Chicago. I didn't end up eating the extra salad that I brought because after eating all of the broccoli and the carrots and the tomatoes, by the time I got to the car, I just ate the bar and had some water and I was already really full. So now that I'm home, I am going to be making dinner, which is lasagna with meat sauce. It is 260 calories, 10 grams of total fat, 4 grams of fiber, and 15 grams of protein. Now, I have not had this one, so I have no idea what it's going to look like. I don't know if it's going to look really good or if it's going to look really bad. So this is going to be an experience for the both of us. Got into my lasagna here, and the verdict, it's not bad. It's not great. I guess it's not fresh, obviously, like not homemade, but it's still not bad for something that's prepackaged. Now, I might be a little bit biased because I don't actually really like lasagna that much. It's a little too meaty for me. Usually, like, if I ever make lasagna, I'm packing it full of mostly cheese and then maybe zucchini or something else. I'm not a big meat person, but that being said, I still think that most people would find this very acceptable and something that's really edible, not something that you're going to take a bite of and want to not finish, or you're going to feel less satisfied than eating something else, if you know what I mean. Now that I'm done with my dinner, I'm going to pick Yuri up from trapeze class. I hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below for more videos. I love you guys. I appreciate you, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye.